To begin this meditation, please bring kind awareness to the emotions that you can associate with these visceral feelings. Sharing gratitude. Hello and welcome to this meditation. During this session, we will practice a heartwarming technique to foster gratitude and connection. Go ahead and become as comfortable as possible, settling in and letting go. Relaxing your head, relaxing your shoulders and back, relaxing your arms and legs, and letting your eyes slowly close. Now connect with the breath, simply following the inhales and the exhales, listening to the breath, feeling the breath. Nice and easy, nice and slow now. Slowing the breath even more. And with your next long exhale, begin to disconnect from all outside sensations, releasing with the intention of bringing your focus within, deeper within. Now, bring to mind the most important people in your life, your closest family members and friends. Imagine each person appearing before you. Notice each and every one. Look them in the eye and feel their presence here. In your mind's eye, see yourself reaching out to one of your loved ones and holding their hand in your own. Make it real, feeling your fingers entwined with theirs and the warmth and softness of their skin. Imagine the bright glow of gratitude emanating from your heart as you bring to mind all of the ways this person makes you feel loved. What gifts does this person bring into your life? In what ways does this loved one support you? Feel the gratitude growing and growing, becoming brighter and brighter with each beat of your heart. And now, feel this light moving from your chest all the way down your arms to your fingertips. And then flowing from your hand to the hand of your loved one, moving all the way up their arm and to their beating heart, feeling it with gratitude and love. Imagine the look of joy on your loved one's face as they accept this gift of gratitude. See the warm glow shining brightly within them, their heart beating in sync with your own. Stay in stillness for a few moments, enjoying this heart-to-heart connection. Now, with your free hand, reach out to a treasured friend. Once again, feeling their hand in yours. Feel the light of gratitude shine brightly within your heart as you think of all of the happiness, lessons, and experiences this person has brought into your life. What is it that you appreciate most about this person? Be specific as you bring these precious moments or memories to mind. And once more, encourage the glow to flow from your heart to theirs, moving in and around, both enveloping you with appreciation. Continue to enjoy this divine moment of true connection. Now imagine all of the people who are present joining hands, forming a circle. Watch the light spread from the hearts of the loved ones by your side to the next heart and the next, forming a ring of gratitude. Once again, notice everyone who is present here, the people who hold you dearly, the ones who you may or may not take the time to appreciate as often as you like to. This is the time to offer your thanks. If any distracting thoughts or memories come into this experience, that's okay. Acknowledge them and simply take a few deep and cleansing breaths, feeling the glow of gratitude becoming stronger, brighter, burning away anything that does not serve this experience. Remember that there is no room for judgment, grudges, or holding on to the past here. There is only acceptance. You are here in the now. Embrace this moment. Breathe deeply, allowing the light within your heart to glow and grow, spreading through the circle once more, feeling each heart beating as one, each breath taken as one, allowing into this circle only unconditional love and appreciation. It's time to release this visualization, letting go of the hands of your loved ones and seeing everyone in the circle release their hands as well. Hold your hands up to your heart in gratitude for this experience and thank each person in your circle for being present here. Now allow the scene to fade and bring yourself back into your body with your next few breaths. Deep inhales as you allow your eyes to open. Give your body a nice stretch. Hands above your head and chest open. Return to your day feeling loved, appreciated, and deeply grateful for every connection in your life.